Welcome to day 30 of the Momentum Blueprint. And first, I want to acknowledge something important. If you've made it here, you didn't just consume information, you showed commitment. Most people start things, very few finish. Finishing matters because completion creates identity. Today is not about learning something new, it's about locking in who you've become over the last 30 days and deciding how you move forward. Momentum is fragile when it's new. If it's not protected, it fades. That's why day 30 is about standards, not tactics. Over the last month, you've learned how digital marketing actually works, how content attracts attention, how systems support growth, how consistency compounds, and how leadership starts with showing up. But none of that matters if you go back to old habits. The biggest mistake people make after a challenge, course, or learning phase is assuming motivation will carry them forward. It won't. Motivation is emotional. Momentum is structural. Momentum comes from identity. You don't maintain progress by trying harder. You maintain progress by deciding who you are now. Instead of saying, I'm trying to build something online, you say, I'm someone who shows up daily. Instead of asking, do I feel like posting today? You ask, what does someone committed to growth do today? This is how professionals think. They don't negotiate with habits, they execute standards. Another important shift is understanding that learning never stops. But learning must now support execution, not replace it. Many people hide in learning because it feels productive without risk. Execution feels uncomfortable, but growth only happens in execution. From this point forward, your focus should be simple. Keep momentum alive. That means narrowing your actions, not expanding them. Choose fewer priorities and do them consistently. Post content with intention. Build your audience patiently. Nurture trust through value. Review what works weekly and do more of it. Momentum is sustained through rhythm. Rhythm creates reliability. Reliability creates trust with yourself and with others. Another key is understanding seasons. Some weeks will feel powerful, others will feel quiet. Quiet does not mean failure. Quiet is where compounding happens. If you only show up when things feel exciting, you will always be starting over. Momentum belongs to those who continue when results are subtle. Day 30 is also about ownership. No one is coming to hold you accountable long term. The responsibility belongs to you now. The good news is that accountability becomes easier when habits are established. What felt hard on day one feels normal by day 30. That's growth. Before you move forward, anchor this question. What standards am I keeping no matter what? Not goals, standards. Goals are outcomes. Standards are behaviors. Standards are things you do even when no one is watching. This is where long-term success comes from. Today you don't need a new strategy. You need a decision. Decide that momentum matters. Decide that consistency is non-negotiable. Decide that your future deserves follow-through. This is the moment where most people drift back into old patterns, or they step forward into a new identity. The difference is not talent, resources, or timing. It's decision. Momentum doesn't ask you to be perfect, it asks you to keep going. If you do that, results will come. And when they do, you'll realize the most important thing you built wasn't just skills, it was discipline, confidence, and trust in yourself. That is the real win.